Today we will learn singular and plural words. Okay. So there is a chapter in English grammar, singular and plural. So when the word is one or the noun is one, okay, naming words are noun. So we already read noun. So these are the words. Okay. So if there is one, then we will say this is singular. Okay. If there are many, then we will tell plural. Okay. So when we change singular to plural, okay, there are some rules. Okay. So here, like it's written, we add es to words ending with ch, sh, x, o, s and ss. Okay. So the words ending with ch, what are the words? Please tell me. Ending with ch, watch. Okay. WATCH, watch. So if there is one watch, then watch. If there are many, then what we will do? The rule is to add es. WATCH, es. Okay. Then coming to sh, words ending with sh. What are the words you know that ends with sh? Like here it's written dish. Okay. There is one dish. But here in the picture there are many dishes. Okay. So what we are going to do? Add es. When there are many, we will add es. Dishes. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now coming to x. So tell me one word that ends with x. Box. Okay. So box, there is one box, but there are many boxes. Yes. Okay. Now coming to o. Tell me some words you know that is ending with o. Buffalo, potato. So when we will change to many, what we are going to write? Tomato, potato. So es. Okay. We add es at the end. Okay. Now coming to s, words ending with s. What are the words that ends with s? Tell me. Now coming to words ending with s. So word is bus. There is one bus. There are many buses. Okay. So the rule is like this. Now coming to double s. Okay. So what are the words you know? Dress, chase. Okay. So when we will write many means plural, then we will write like dresses. Okay. Now coming to the worksheet. Okay. Retype each word and add s or es to show more than one. Okay. So here it's written car. Okay. I have 6. How many? There are many cars. So we are going to write here cars. Then number 2, the dishes are in the sink. So there are many. So here it's written dish ending with sh. So plural word will be dishes. Okay. So follow the rules. Okay. The dishes are in the sink. Then coming to number 3, Jahira has 2 doll. Doll. We are going to write. So there are 2 dolls. So we are going to write dolls. Okay. Now coming to number 4. She ate 2 sandwich. Here it's the word ends with ch. So what we are going to write? Tell me. Yes, sandwiches. Okay, now Maya has 6 pencil. So what we are going to write? So there are many pencils. Here you can see there are many pencils. So we are going to write pencils. Okay. Now coming to number 5. I see 3 cross. Here it's written cross. Okay. Ends with SS. So there are 3 crosses. So we are going to follow the rule and we will write like this. Okay. So I think you all know the rules. How we are going to change the singular to plural while we are writing. Okay. Thank you for watching.